Hello everyone, welcome to this week's video announcements. These will be the last video announcements until mid-August. This week is also our last week for the newsletter until mid-August. Both are taking a little bit of a summer hiatus. If you want to know what's going on at church during the next couple of months, you can always find that information on our website. Our calendar is there. You can also watch our Facebook page or our Facebook members and friends group, and we'll use the UU at uunashua.org listserv for any announcements that come up last minute. And I'm going to share a bunch right now with you about what's happening this summer. So first of all, summer worship services start this Sunday, and we've got some great services lined up. We're going to kick things off with Maggie Woolsey doing a service called Optimistic Nihilism, which that title in itself just intrigues you. So that's this Sunday, June 16th. Steve Eddington, our Minister Emeritus, is going to be doing a service on June 30th, so that'll be a great one to come out to. I'll be leading a few services in July and August, and I'm particularly excited that Sadie and I are going to do a backpack blessing at the end of August, the last Sunday in August, where we're going to invite everyone to bring their backpacks and work bags, and we'll bless them before the beginning of the new school year. So Sundays are still happening, 10 a.m. every Sunday. We will be here, and we don't have any formal children's faith formation programming over the summer, but children are welcome in the services, and the family corner will continue to be staffed all summer. So Erica LaValle will be there, our faith formation assistant. She'll be there most Sundays, and there's a few Sundays she won't be able to be there, and we'll have a teen assistant there instead. But there will always be someone in the family corner to help out our families. Our staff summer hours are beginning next week, the week of June 17th. Sadie and I are both going to be participating in General Assembly next week. Sadie will be an off-site delegate, and I'll be on-site in Spokane. And so we'll only be a little bit available next week because we'll be trying to be active with General Assembly. Sherry is starting summer office hours next week. Her hours will be Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday from 10 a.m. to 1 p.m. That's Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday from 10 a.m. to 1 p.m. She will also be off June 24th through July 6th. So the church office will be closed for those 2 weeks. I'm going to be away on vacation and study leave June 24th to July 20th, as well as July 31st to August 6th. And Sadie's going to be on vacation and study leave from June 24th to August 2nd. So we have slightly less availability over the summer. Coming up at the end of June, we are once again marching in the Nashua Pride Parade, which is so exciting. It's the second year of the Nashua Pride Parade. We're going to march, and we're also going to have a booth. So that's Saturday, June 29th, 2 p.m. to 5 p.m. The Nashua Pride Festival is a free celebration of diversity, acceptance, music, and fun focused on promoting equality and inclusion of all people. It's a full day of activities, entertainment, and vendors. There'll be the Pride Parade, speakers, musical performances, drag show, and much more. Jen Morton is once again organizing. Thank you, Jen, to walk in the parade. If you're interested in walking, meet at Elm Street Middle School at 1:30 p.m. This is the kickoff point for the parade. The parade ends at the Nashua Public Library, where we are going to have a table to display information for our church. If you want to volunteer at the table, let Jen know. You can email her at Jen_Shell, SHELL, at yahoo.com. This is also a great opportunity to wear your UU Church of Nashua t-shirt. So come on out to Pride, march with us, volunteer at the table, wear your t-shirt. It'll be a wonderful day. Our UU hikers have a couple of events this summer already planned. The first is Saturday, June 22nd, the Hampton Beach Sand Sculpture Contest. It'll be a fun day at the beach. The carpool will leave around 10 a.m. from the Exit 7 Park and Ride and plan to be back around 3. You can enjoy walking around Hampton Beach for the day and enjoy the sandcastle sculptures. It sounds really fun. Bring a bag lunch or plan to buy food at the beach. On Friday, July 25th, our UU hikers will be going to Pawtuckaway Park to kayak. That'll be 9 a.m. to 2 p.m. carpool from the Exit 7 Park and Ride, paddle around the lake, and then a bag lunch and optional swim. Again, that's Friday, July 26th. On Saturday, July 13th, our property team is hosting a Fix-It Day around the church from 9 a.m. to noon. There are many little items, they say, approximately 27 that need to be taken care of, and many hands would get the work accomplished quickly. The tasks are both inside and outside the church. Anyone who has any ability in fixing things is welcome, and the property team would love to have your help. Again, that's Saturday, July 13th from 9 a.m. to 12 p.m. Sadie is looking for faith formation leaders for next year. You can find out more and let her know you're interested by following the link that I'll put in the comments. She's looking especially for folks to help with the workshops that'll be for our elementary and middle school age children. And we have a new women's faith formation program that will start up in September 2019. It's called Women of Wisdom, and there are 13 monthly circles, which will be led by Gail McMorrow Donahue and Chris Parker every second Sunday from 6:30 to 8:30 in the Campbell Chapel, starting September 8th, 2019, and running through September 2020. You can get a whole lot more information and sign up following the link that I'll put in the comments. And it looks like we're going to have enough people to run this, so we're really excited about that. But if you are interested, please do sign up so we can know how many folks to expect. And that's what I've got. I hope that you have a wonderful, wonderful summer. And don't forget, you can check the website or Facebook or watch your email for news from the church. And the video announcements will be back the 3rd or 4th week of August. See you then.